Political divisions of Palakkad District. Palakkad District has four types of administrative hierarchies. Taluk and Village Administration managed by the provincial government of Kerala. Panchayath Administration managed by the local bodies. Parliament constituencies for the federal government of India. Assembly constituencies for the provincial government of Kerala. The Palakkad District is a political subdivision within the Indian state of Kerala. This district is divided into 6 taluks and 7 municipalities. Palakkad city is located just 50 km away from Coimbatore, which is the second largest city in Tamil Nadu, only after to Chennai. Taluks of Palakkad District. The district is divided into 6 taluks, of which Palakkad Taluk is smallest in area. Palakkad District Overview. An official Census 2011 detail of Palakkad, a district of Kerala, has been released by Directorate of Census Operations in Kerala. Enumeration of key persons was also done by census officials in Palakkad District of Kerala. In 2011, Palakkad had population of 2,809,934, of which male and female were 1,359,478 and 1,450,456 respectively. In 2001 census, Palakkad had a population of 2,617,482, of which males were 1,266,985. Palakkad district population constituted 8.41% of total Kerala population in the census of 2011. In 2001 census, this figure for Palakkad district was at 8.22% of Kerala population. In the census of 2011, there was change of 7.35% in the population compared to population as per 2001. In the previous census of India 2001, Palakkad district recorded increase of 9.88% to its population compared to 1991. The initial provisional data released by Census India 2011 shows that density of Palakkad district for 2011 is 627 people per km2. In 2001, Palakkad district density was at 584 people per km2. Palakkad district administers 4,482 square kilometers of areas. Average literacy rate of Palakkad in 2011 were 89.31 compared to 84.35 of 2001. If things are looked out at gender-wise, male and female literacy were 93.10 and 85.79 respectively. For 2001 census, same figures stood at 89.52 and 79.56 in Palakkad district. Total literate in Palakkad district were 2,239,492, of which male and female were 1,122,600 and 1,116,892 respectively. In 2001, Palakkad district had 1,938,818 in its district. With regards to sex ratio in Palakkad, it stood at 1067 per 1,000 male compared to 2001 census figure of 1066. The average national sex ratio in India is 940 as per latest reports of Census 2011 Directorate. In 2011 census, child sex ratio is 967 girls per 1,000 boys, compared to figure of 963 girls per 1,000 boys of 2001 census data. In census enumeration, data regarding child under 0-6 age were also collected for all districts, including Palakkad. There were total 302,297 children under age of 0-6 against 318,884 of 2001 census. Of total 302,297 male and female were 153,000. Child sex ratio as per Census 2011 was 967 compared to 963 of Census 2001. In 2011, children under 0-6 formed 10.76% of Palakkad district compared to 12.18% of 2001. There was net change of minus 1.42% in this compared to previous census of India. Out of the total Palakkad population for 2011 census, 24.9% lives in urban regions of district. In total, 676,810 people lives in urban areas, of which males are 328,012 and females are 348,798. Sex ratio in urban region of Palakkad District is 1063 as per 2011 census data. Similarly, child sex ratio in Palakkad District was 959 in 2011 census. Child population 0-6 in urban region was 70,405, of which males and females were 35,933 and 34,472. This child population figure of Palakkad District is 10.95% of total urban population. Average literacy rate in Palakkad District as per census 2011 is 92.45%, of which males and females are 95.43% and 89.67% literate. In actual number, 560,597 people are literate in urban region, of which males and females are 278,745 and 281,852 respectively. As per 2011 census, 75.91% population of Palakkad District's lives in rural areas of villages. The total Palakkad District population living in rural areas is 2,133,124, of which males and females are 1,031,466 and 1,101,658 respectively. In rural areas of Palakkad District, sex ratio is 1068 females per 1,000 males. If child sex ratio data of Palakkad District is considered, figure is 969 girls per 1,000 boys. Child population in the age 0-6 is 231,892 in rural areas, of which males were 117,763 and females were 114,129. The child population comprises 11.42% of total rural population of Palakkad District. Literacy rate in rural areas of Palakkad District is 88.31% as per census data 2011. Gender-wise, male and female literacy stood at 92.36 and 84.56% respectively. In total, 1,678,895 people were literate, of which males and females were 843,855 and 835,040 respectively. All details regarding Palakkad District have been processed by us after receiving from Gov. of India. We are not responsible for errors to population census details of Palakkad District. Urban agglomerations inside Palakkad District population, male-female. Palakkad Urban Agglomeration, 293,566, 143,650, 149,916. Ottapalam Urban Agglomeration, 238,230 cities inside Palakkad District population, male-female. Palakkad Municipality, 131,019, 63,833, 67,186. Municipalities of Palakkad District. The district includes 7 municipalities, which each belong to a taluk. The largest city in the district is the Palakkad Municipality. The municipalities, with population estimates for 2011, are Palakkad Urban Agglomeration POP 293,000, Palakkad City POP 131,465, Ottapalam POP 53,790, Shorner POP 42,022, Chitter Tatamangalam POP 31,884, Patambai Hambai, Chirpulassery, Manarkad. Kerala Assembly seats in Palakkad District as per Legislative Assembly election. 2016 Sri Krishnapuram, Kojalmanam and Collingwood constituencies have been removed and Konged, Shorener, Namara and Tara constituencies were created during the 2011 general election as a result of delimitation for the Kerala Legislative Assembly, increasing the total number of seats coming under Palakkad District to 12. Palakkad Parliament constituency. Palakkad is a Lok Sabha constituency in Kerala. Assembly segments. Palakkad Lok Sabha constituency is composed of the following assembly segments: Konged, Manarkad, Malampuzha, Palgat, Ottapalam, Shorener, Hambai. Members of Parliament. 1957, P. Cunhan, Communist Party of India. 1962, P. Cunhan, Communist Party of India. 1967, E. K. Nayanar, Communist Party of India Marxists. 1971, A. K. Gopalan, Communist Party of India Marxists. 1977, A. Sunasahib, Indian National Congress. 1980, V. S. Vijayaraghavan, Indian National Congress I. 1984, V. S. Vijayaraghavan, Indian National Congress. 1989, Vijayaraghavan Alampadan, Communist Party of India Marxist. 1991, V. S. Vijayaraghavan, Indian National Congress. 1996, N. N. Krishnadas, Communist Party of India Marxist. 1998, N. N. Krishnadas, Communist Party of India Marxist. 1999, N. N. Krishnadas, Communist Party of India Marxist. 2004, N. N. Krishnadas, Communist Party of India Marxists. 2009, M. B. Rajesh, Communist Party of India Marxists. Marxists. 2014, M. B. Rajesh, Communist Party of India Marxist. 2019, V. K. Srikantan, Indian National Congress. Indian general election results. Alather Parliament constituency. Alather Lok Sabha constituency is one of the 20 Lok Sabha constituencies in Kerala state in southern India. This constituency came into existence in 2008 following the implementation of delimitation of parliamentary constituencies based on the recommendations of the Delimitation Commission of India constituted in 2002. Assembly segments. Alather Lok Sabha constituency comprises the following 7 legislative assembly segments: Tarar, Chitter, Nemara, Alather, Chelakara, Kanamkilam, Wadakanchari Tarar Chitter, Nemara, and Alather segments are in Palakkad District and Chelakara. Kanamkilam and Wadakanchari segments are in Thrissur District. Chelakara, Wadakanchari, and Kanamkilam segments were earlier in the erstwhile Ottapalam Lok Sabha constituency. Members of Parliament. 2009, P. K. Biju, Communist Party of India Marxists. 2014, P. K. Biju, Communist Party of India Marxist. 2019, Ramya Haridas, Indian National Congress. Indian general election, 2019.